Hi, I'm Sarah from Pelican Harbor Seabird Station, and we were just doing a bird survey of a rookery near Crandon Marina, and we came across this juvenile brown pelican that died from fishing line entanglement, and it's banded, as you can see. And Pelican Harbor Seabird Station has treated 8,800 brown pelicans in the past 40 years. So we see injuries like this every day, and this is really sad to see though in person out in Miami. What we're doing to help prevent this in Miami is put bilingual signs around marinas and fishing shops in Miami.
And we checked out the band, and it's actually one of the pelicans that we probably banded in our rehabilitation work, but it's band number 1238-18801, and our rehabbers are going to report that to the USGS bird banding laboratory and see exactly how old this pelican is. Well, we recovered the pelican so we could get the band off, and also so that we can remove the monofilament from the marine environment as the pelican decomposes. And we also found this polypropylene from maybe a crab trap, and we pulled it out of the mangroves. And we do cleanups every year at the Bird Key Rookery, and get out there and help save our oceans and our planet.